Just that easy. Welcome to Collision Repair's Talent Search. Show us what you've got, Canada. Do you want to win some prizes for your talent? All you have to do is do something cheesy like this. But include a copy of Collision Repair magazine somewhere in there and you are eligible to win some prizes. So, that's all you need to do. Get in there, head over to our website. We're on MySpace at myspace.com/collisionrepairtalent, or our regular website, www.collisionrepairmag.com/talentshow. And that's it. Thank you very much. Let's do it.